I'm Susan. I'm going to do a flip through of these papers for my next fall journal. And these papers are from Anton of Bontik Vintage Designs. And they're beautiful. I love his prints. And I have used his images. I have used his images a lot. I really like them. So I'm going to do a quick flip through. We have got this one, which you of course fold in the middle. And then we've got a full image on the back. Let me see, yeah, got this full image. Oh, these two don't have backing papers because I didn't want to sew them down the middle, but I thought that I'd make a fussy cut around them and use them. So these two don't have backing images, but the rest of them do. We've got that one, and then I put a full image on the one side and the page images on the other, because these don't look too bad when you sew in the middle. And I'll put one in the middle because this is going to be a single signature journal. At least that's what I'm planning on right now. It could change because there's lots of papers. We have got that. I mean, they're just so beautiful. This is stained glass. The fall stained glass, and I mean, they are just, it's gorgeous, and the colors are so vibrant. I love them. That is gorgeous. I love this pumpkin and the blues. I highly recommend you go and check out his Etsy shop. I have it listed down below, and there's also a coupon code that you can use to get, I believe it's 50% off if I'm not mistaken. Those pretty. I enjoy using these so much. They're fun papers to use. I enjoy using the Fall Vintage Lady. I think, yeah, Fall Vintage Lady. And I enjoyed using the Fall Forest Fairies one. Love that. Aren't they beautiful? I wouldn't mind having some stained glass like this in my home. Can't go wrong with coffee, especially in the fall. Isn't that beautiful? I love the colors. And here's the ephemera in ATC card pack. Got that. Got that. So very pretty. Love these. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I do hope you'll go and check out Anton's channel. I do hope you go and check out his Etsy shop. It is worth a visit. He has multiples of digitals, all different kinds, and they're all gorgeous. So y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.